Okay, this time I will show you how to install Azul Zulu OpenJDK. That comes with option for JavaFX. Okay, let's go to Azul Systems website. Okay, I will go down looking for Windows version. For this one, I will install version 23. Okay, Windows. Java package, I will select JDK-FX that comes with JavaFX. Download MSI. So this one has everything you need for JavaFX development. So you don't have to use JavaFX modules or jars, then config to run your JavaFX projects. Okay. Okay, install anyway. Okay, this is Azul Zulu JDK 23. Next. Okay, install. According to Azul, this is OpenJDK. It means it's an open Java platform from Azul Systems. So you may find them more useful if you are the beginner for running JavaFX at the beginning. I still recommend you to use JDK 8 if you want to try JavaFX 23. You may try to use this distribution. It will make your life a lot more easier. Finish. Okay, go to C drive program files. Default installation directory is on the Zulu. Okay, Zulu 23 on the binary. There is a Java and Java C. Okay. Let me copy the path. Then properties, advanced system settings. You're going to set up the path for JDK. Previously, I have a JDK 23 from Oracle. Let me change to Zulu OpenJDK. Okay, that's the one. Okay. Let's try with the command line. Java C version. Okay, we have installed successfully. Okay. Next one, I'm going to show you how to download NetBeans 23 and then install on Windows 11. Let's download. I will download installer version. Okay, click the first link. It may take for a while to download. Okay, click. Okay, click install anyway on Windows 11. Okay, we are installing all of them. Next. I have several versions of JDK. I'm going to use JDK 23. Install. it takes for a while. Okay, this time I will show you how to install JavaFX SceneBuilder on Windows 11. Let's go to Gluon's website. Latest version is 23.0.1 for Java 21 or higher. I will download Windows installer. On Windows 11, you may need to say install anyway. Okay, next. Try to remember install directory. Next, install. Let me quickly demonstrate how to config with NetBeans IDE. Goes to Tools, Options, JavaFX. If it's the first time, it's going to ask you to download JavaFX implementation. Install. If everything goes as it is, it will disappear. Let's check Tools, Options, JavaFX. Okay, that's already linked. Okay, this video shows you how to use OpenJDK 23 with NetBeans 23. Instead of using Oracle JDK 23, you can use Azul's Zulu OpenJDK 23. Let's add a new platform, Java Standard. So this is where I install Zulu OpenJDK 23. Next, I type it as a Zulu 23 because I already have a JDK 23. Okay, so we have two platforms. So this time when you create a new project, JavaFX, FX application, no errors, okay? So we are using Java application, let's say Zulu 23, FXML documents, okay? Make sure you remember this name because template gave us a different name. So we need to change later on. Finish. So if you look at project, we have FXML documents, and then here it said fxml.fxml. So name is different, so you have to fix it. And then include the package name. Everything seems okay. Just making sure you have a package name and then FXML documents, okay, controller, which is the same name, that's okay. Let's go to options, JavaFX. I already include the SceneBuilder. So let's open FXML with the SceneBuilder. Okay, I'm using SceneBuilder 23. Okay, latest version. Let me click label, is hidden, is there. Let me type the text, okay. Save it. You may need to update the controller, so say here, make controller. Okay, everything seems okay. I will leave it as it is. Let's build the project. Building project is the same, okay? Okay, when you launch your project, be careful. It may not work with the main menu directly. You have to run your application manually. JavaFX application run file, because this one has a main method inside. So let's click OK. It's loading now. Click me. Look at the label Hello World. Okay. So make sure when you run JavaFX application, you have to click and then run from JavaFX application Java manually. Okay. So let me just quickly go through. First time, make sure you have JavaFX ML. Okay, the version 23.0.1. It depends on your SceneBuilder, because one, so I show me 23.0.1 in the fxml documents.fxml. Okay, next one, first time, make sure you fix the fxml documents.fxml, because template create a different name. Okay, include the package to your path. Okay, now you use Zulu OpenJDK. You don't have to use VM options. You don't have to add JavaFX jar files to projects. So it makes a lot more easier to create the JavaFX application. That's all. Thank you.